Welcome, my name's Sean here at Tameron Honda. Thank you for inquiring on the Accord Sport. This car is unbelievable. I'm going to show you a couple of highlight features. One, you're going to have full LED headlights. You're also going to pick up the fog lights in the Sport model. My favorite feature is called the sensing. That's the adaptive cruise control, and that's lane keep assist, and it does exactly that. The lane keep assist will keep you in the lane. The adaptive cruise control will adapt to the car in front of you. You get the aluminum alloy wheels, breakaway mirrors, push button start. Come on in, let me show you a couple features on the inside. Apple CarPlay, sensing right there on the right side of your steering wheel. You have a sport mode and an econ mode. There's dual climate air controls, USB ports. Take a look at the sport pedals. This car is unbelievable. Power seats, everything you could think of. Call me when you get a chance. My number's 205-965-5788. If I can promise you one thing, when you get to Tameron, you're going to love